Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore HubSpot account access after suspicious login protections, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the HubSpot login page. Enter your email address associated with your account. Click on the Forgot My Password link under the login fields. Check your email for a password reset link from HubSpot. Open the email and click the provided link. Follow the instructions to create a new password. Log in using your new password. If prompted by suspicious login protection, follow on-screen prompts to verify your identity. You may need to answer security questions or confirm your identity through a verification code sent to your email or phone. If you don't receive a verification code, click on the option to resend it. Once verified, you will regain access to your account. To further secure your account, enable two-factor authentication in the settings. Visit the account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Navigate to the Security section. Choose to enable two-factor authentication and follow the setup prompts. Add a backup phone number or email for additional recovery options. Regularly update your password to maintain account security. Review the recent activity on your account for any unauthorized logins. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to HubSpot support immediately. Your account access should now be restored and secured. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.